Hello and welcome to Learn for Lifetime. Are you new in this channel? If you like my video, please press the like button and please do subscribe. So moving forward, and today's letter is L. Let's see what's the sound of letter L. L. Tongue up. L. The action we'll use to remember the sound of letter L. Pretend to lick a lollipop. So let's start a rhyme. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. So let's see few words that starts with the sound Let's see. So first word is leaf, lemon, ladybird, lion and lollipop. Okay, I will give you one activity. If you know the answer, please say. So from this chart, you have to recognize the pictures that starts with letter L sound. Okay, so take your time and let's find out the pictures that starts with L and circle them. Okay, I'll tell you, hope you all are correct. So these are the pictures that starts with L sound. Okay, so see you in next video and please don't forget to press the like button.